Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making chicken fajitas. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, onion, lime or lemon, bell peppers, red, yellow, green, or orange, olive oil, chili powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, black pepper, cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. You want to add your chili powder, your smoked paprika, your onion powder, your black pepper, and your cumin in a small bowl and mix. You want to preheat your skillet. You want to add your olive oil. You want to cook your chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes or to your liking. You want to toss your chicken strips in the spicy mixture. Okay, so we're adding salt and pepper to our chicken. And now we're going to saute our chicken. I like my chicken a little bit on the brown side. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together. Now here I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice because I didn't have any limes. So I love a little squeeze of lemon or lime while I'm cooking my chicken for my fajitas. So we're gonna mix. And then this is how I like my chicken. A little bit of brownish. I done cooked out all of my liquid in my chicken. So we're gonna take this out and put it in our bowl that's on the side. Some people might add oil. I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna add my onions. I love a lot of onions, so I'm gonna add some more onions. We're gonna saute our onions a little bit. And then we're gonna add our peppers, our red peppers, our yellow peppers, our green peppers, and then we're gonna saute that all together. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit more of lemon juice on top of my vegetables. Now we're gonna add our chicken back. And we're just going to mix all this together and saute it all together. This was so yummy, guys. You should try this recipe. And here I'm just gonna add some cheese because I wanted some cheese on my fajitas. You don't have to add cheese. That was my choice. And it was yummy. I made these flour tortillas. I made a video. You could check in the description below. And those were yummy. Those tortillas were simple and yummy. And this is our fajita, guys. I'm gonna put some more chicken on the top because I like a little bit more than usual. And that is it. That is our chicken fajitas. They were so yummy. That's the cheese. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.